Howdy folks, I'm John. Thought I'd show you a little bit of the strawberry maintenance that we're going to do today. Just a little bed of strawberries. Now if you watched the video the other day, you saw that I did take one little cutting off. The strawberry plant set out those runners, so I took one runner that didn't root properly and I went ahead and just stuck it here. That was about a week ago, so you can see it's doing really well. Part of the secret to strawberries is having a nice, decent, thick, organic mulch, keeping the soil moist and cool, shaded. That feels it feels nice. I mean, it's not cold, but it's not a blistering hot thing either. So now and then you should go through your strawberries and look the runners over. You might want to keep one or two here and there because we got a plant missing there, but that's on account of the asparagus that grew up, and we're going to go ahead and keep the asparagus, dig it up, and put in if one's missing next year. I'd just go ahead and dig this in like this and let it root itself a little bit, and in a couple weeks or so I could just snip this right here, yank that right out, and transplant it. Here's one I don't want to keep. When they're at this size, they're easy to snip. You don't gotta do close to the base. You figure it looks nicer, but you know what's looks matter. So part of the thing here is just keep snipping these little runners off as they try to come out, and we don't want to let them grow, because even though we get more plants from them, they are going to hold back the ability of the plant to actually put out a lot of leaves, because they're putting effort into growing these here little things. So you just keep breaking them up. Now last week, here's another one. I decided to let this one grow, and we're going to let that one grow into a whole plant. This one I am going to go ahead and take out of the ground and transplant it. This one I'm going to let grow here because it's right on the edge, and we got a good spacing from everything else. So we're going to take that. Oh, already got it. Folks, in this heat, strawberries, I mean, they love sun, they like heat and everything, but they got to have cool soil around them. So you got to keep up on keeping the moisture level high. Keep them watered nicely. Don't let them dry out. Don't let them get excessively hot. See you around now. Have a good day. Have a good garden. Bye.